Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and I want to tell you why this 8-piece WORKPRO ratcheting wrench set is my new main wrench set. On a recent repair to my car, there were multiple times where a bolt was blocked from above and a socket wrench couldn't fit. So I was relieved to have these WORKPRO flex head wrenches. The material they're made of feels very strong and high quality. And while it doesn't affect the use of them, they look pretty good too. The ratcheting coupled with a flex head gives me the confidence that I can get to any bolt a manufacturer expects me to. This 8-piece metric set has sizes from 9 to 17 millimeters with only 16 millimeter left out. Since this covers most of the sizes I usually need on my cars, this will probably be my go-to set of wrenches over my standard wrench set. I have no doubt these will give me plenty of use for the years to come. So if you often need to work on bolts in really tight spaces, or if you're looking for your first set of wrenches, why not get these ratcheting flex head wrenches from WORKPRO? You'll be glad you did, but that's just my point of view.